A huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hello and welcome to another studio vlog. This studio vlog is going to be a little bit it's a little bit of a quick studio vlog. Right now in these clips I am trying to draw up the June Patreon sticker sheet, and I say this every time, but I am really in love with how the rewards came out for June, and especially the sticker sheet. I think the sticker sheet is my favorite probably of all the monthly rewards for Patreon. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right here, and I will talk to you guys again very soon as voiceover Paloma. So you guys saw me working on the June Patreon sticker sheet, and it is finished. I am very happy with it, and I also finished the sticker of the month. So this will be the main sticker, and I just have to work on the print now, and I have the very rough sketch and idea ready, but taking a break for right now from drawing on my iPad. And then I will finish up that print and I can finally post it to Patreon because today is last day of May. So yeah, that's what I've been up to like the whole day basically. I had my friend come over and help me out with taking pictures of clothes that I need to sell and posting them on Depop, so we took care of that. And I think to take a break from this, I am going to pack some mystery baggies because I have a lot of stuff to make them with, so I think that's what I'm gonna do to take a break from drawing on my iPad.
You hungry, Sailor? Yeah? Oh, you're so hungry. Yeah, you're so hungry. Such a hungry, munchy boy. You sniffing? You sniffing?
I've been a little bit silent today. I've been kind of going crazy packing Patreon rewards, which we did manage to finish up today, so I will be dropping those off tomorrow. But I also picked up this guy today, and I'm very quickly becoming a Lego person, Lego fiend. And I just wanted to get started on this as my unwinding activity. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the evening, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello, my lovely beans. So you guys have been seeing me making my very own mechanical keyboard. It's my first one and I'm actually having so much fun making it. I started on it last night and I am about 2/3 of the way there. I just have about 2 more rows left and then I can finally use it. I took a little bit of a break to do some emails and some quick drawing on my iPad. And then I think I'm going to do some sketchbooking and then I'll go back to building this because I really want to finish it so I can use it. It sounds so nice. So yeah, and this week is shop update week. So we are on turbo mode. I feel like I want to try to make felt stuff. I don't know. I can never decide on like what kind of handmade stuff I want to make. I tried doing the pins and I think I'm just going to lay that to rest for now because the painting was not going the way that I wanted them to. So I'm going to try to maybe felt something, maybe felt a little froggy dude based on my pet frog. So yeah, gotta prep for the shop update this week. I do want to change up the look of my website as well, just like update it, update the colors, stuff like that. So I'll probably get started on that today as well. And Ta-da! There is my new office chair. This was a really big investment for me, and I was really proud of myself for buying it. But I have been, using the same IKEA chair for forever, and I love my IKEA chair, but I was starting to run into body pain issues, because that chair was really not meant to be sat in for a very long time. So I decided to bite the bullet and get I think it's from Ergonoffice. I think that's what it's called. An ergonomic office chair. I decided to get that, and I am in love with it. I literally experience little to no back pain now, and I also don't get like that feeling that you get in your butt when you've been sitting for like a long time. I don't get that anymore. I feel like I can be more productive. I get more done. I'm able to work for longer. So yeah, I'm really glad that I bought this chair, and it's a business expense. It counts as a business expense. So taxes, here I come, because I just bought a really expensive office chair. But yeah, obviously, like, you don't need this chair, but I think I was really wanting to invest in a chair that I would not be replacing for like the next 5 to 10 years. So yeah. Hi and hello. We are T-minus 2-ish, 3 days away from the shop update, and I am just chilling, getting everything ready. As time has gone on and I do more shop updates, I get less and less stressed about preparing for them, so I feel pretty good. I've been printing out prints, but I ran out of paper, but I'm getting some more in the mail tomorrow. Just getting everything ready, editing the website. I am gonna try to do some felt nailing. I was kind of traumatized by it for a little bit because I kept stabbing myself, and then eventually there was one stab that like really, really went into my finger and it hurt really bad. So I've kind of been off of it for a little bit, but I'm ready to get back into it. Tomorrow, normally I go to my ceramics class on Fridays, but I'm actually going tomorrow, Thursday, so that I can pick up all my pieces in time for the shop update, because I have a bunch of new pieces, and I actually have some that I haven't shown you guys that I'll show you guys in a little bit. But yeah, I've just been getting everything ready. I also bought this easel, which is really exciting, because I very much needed one for painting acrylic stuff, and now I have one. And I'm so excited about it, and it makes me want to paint an acrylic painting today. So yeah, I might do that. Really just in the zone of handling shop update stuff. So yeah. So this day was technically the day before the shop update. The shop update was technically June 11th, but I always do a 24-hour early access for my patrons, so I technically have to prepare everything like a day in advance. So yeah, that's what I was doing this day, and I was on turbo mode. I was The day before, I like to do like all the counting and stuff of stock. So I was counting grade A and grade B of prints, of pins, counting the amount of stickers that I had because I was restocking those, stuff like that. That's what I was doing here. I was just getting like all that admin specs, logistics stuff done this day.
Mr. Salem, say hello, Salem.
So you have reached the end of the studio vlog, which ended up being shorter than I expected, but I don't know why I expected it to be longer because it was shop update week, and the closer that I get to shop update day, the crazier things get and the less that I film. So yeah. But next week I will have a longer vlog for you guys. Thank you so much to everyone that placed an order on my shop. It always means so much to me whenever someone buys something from my shop, and especially this time because it was my first ceramics drop. So the support for my ceramics was really amazing, and I truly appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked all the new goodies, and I can't wait to make more ceramics for the next drop, which will hopefully be like every month or so. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye. So before closing out today's vlog, I want to quickly mention the sponsor of the video, Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. It is a platform that I have always used to run my website and my business. It's great as a super easy to use commerce tool, easy to use design tool, and the website analytics really helped me out a lot to see how my website is performing. So if you're interested in starting a free trial, you can go to squarespace.com and use my code for 10% off your first purchase.